Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have yet again another Dhgate review. You see how excited I am? I hope you guys are excited too. Please guys, I beg you, guys and girls, whoever's watching, if you can please subscribe to my channel. I am on a road to 300 subscribers. I appreciate everybody's comments and I encourage you to participate in the comment section, leave a like in the video, and just tell me what you thought about all the products that we review on this channel. So for today's video, we are going to be reviewing clothing items. I believe I know what this is. I haven't opened it yet, but you guys obviously already know based on the thumbnail. Now, I do want to let you know that there are more videos on the way. As of right now, me filming this video, there are a total of 5 videos already uploaded on my channel, scheduled to go live within the next couple weeks. So you guys are going to be seeing this video probably later. And also, I just have a couple more packages right here that I got today in the mail, so I know that's a pair of shoes, and I'll be filming the video right after, so if you see me with the same clothes, that's why. But anyway, with any more talking, let's just get right into it. I believe this is some Drew clothing, and yep, that's exactly what that is. Wow. Okay, so look, this is how they package things, which is pretty much very similar to what the original looks like. If you haven't seen the original Drew merch haul that I did, I'm gonna put a pop tag somewhere, one of these corners. I did purchase the original version of these. Now keep in mind these are from Dhgate, but I did went ahead and try to purchase the original clothes to see the quality, but damn, look at these. So I had already done a Dhgate video from this same seller a couple weeks ago, and I was just waiting for that shirt to arrive to see if it was good quality, which it was. And then that same day, I even mentioned it in the video that I had just purchased 3 more shirts. So these are all the shirts that I bought, and we're gonna get right into them. Okay, so starting with the first one, I like the bags, it's super fancy. So they are all size medium because they're all fit true to size. Now I did learn with the very first one that I shouldn't dry them because it did shrink a little bit. Oh my god. Now this one feels a little bit better than the other one for sure. This is the different type of material. This is more like a regular shirt like the one that I have on, which by the way, this is from Target, I believe. $7. We're balling on a budget. Now these shirts were each, I believe, 20 bucks. When I purchased the original Drew House, the shirt that I review in my video cost me, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was like 50 or 60 bucks. So for the price of one shirt, I was able to buy 3 of them, right? I paid a total of 90 bucks for all 3, including shipping, because keep in mind they do charge individual shipping. But yes, so here is a tag, and you know what? They updated the tags because let me show you. So this is the original tag for the Drew merch that I reviewed in my other video, and if you see, this is the Dhgate tag, and they are very similar if you ask me. Now the original is a little bit more gold. This one is more like yellowish. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but I hope you guys can see the difference. Now, I am pretty impressed. Now the Drew also, this one's a bit more like lighter yellow, and this one's more like a darker nude color. So yeah, like I said, if you were to watch the very first video, you're gonna notice that the tags are completely different. Also this like little chain right here. But anyway, so this is the first shirt. I bought it in the classic smiley face black colorway, so I am so stoked about it. Like, oh my god, like this is amazing. Like, I love it. So this is shirt number 1, which we're gonna put it right here, and I do keep the bags in case you guys wonder. I don't throw them away. So shirt number 2 is gonna be the exact same shirt but in a white color. Yeah, like these shirts feel good quality. Now I don't do too many white shirts. Like I said, and like I always say in all my videos, I just don't like to get dirty that easy, so that's why I always wear black clothes. So yeah, same thing, the tags. Oh, this one has 2 tags for some reason. Yeah, same thing, size medium. Now, I do notice that these are a bit bigger. Not sure if the seller updated, which actually I think I am almost sure that the seller updated the type of materials that he uses or that she uses. We don't know if it's a he or she, but so far I'm very pleased. Now, the third and the very last shirt that I will show you guys is pretty much the one that I bought first, but in a different color. And I will go actually and grab that shirt. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so this is the first shirt that I bought from the seller. This is size medium. Now, I do feel that after I put it in the washer, it did shrink a little bit. Now, 100%, this material for this shirt is thicker and it's like super stretchy compared to this. This is just like the regular shirts, you know, like this one. I don't know, would have to read the tag to tell you materials, but for sure this one feels very different. Now, I do like more these, the new ones, the material. I like it 100% more than this one. I ain't hating on it, but I don't know, it feels weird, not in a bad way, but I hope it makes sense. So reviewing the last, oh, and you know what? You see, the last one actually has the tag that one has. So you see how this one has a completely different tag. So yeah, completely different tag. Now, I love this one. Oh my god. So, like I always say in my videos, red and yellow are my favorite colors. I always say that I rock the McDonald's colorway. So, my god, I think out of the 3, this for sure is my favorite one. And I might actually put this one on today. Not sure, but I don't know. I just really enjoy it. I'm actually gonna go right now into this seller's shop and I'm gonna go check out what other designs they have, because I believe about 3 days ago or so, when I was checking the tracking on this shipment, I noticed that the seller had updated some designs, you know, to match the new drop that recently happened. So I'm actually gonna go back right now into his shop and check out what else they have for me to purchase and to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos. I know that this brand isn't a brand that everybody is looking for. Now, I do support this brand, not because it's Justin Bieber's brand, but because it's leaning towards like a skater brand, but still keeping that inner child, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know, but I appreciate you guys if you watch this video, and I truly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. I do post videos every Saturdays around 12 p.m. Eastern time. So just in case I do drop a video with like in a weekday, you guys will be notified, and expect more videos, sneakers and designer clothes. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me on Instagram only about seller links and all that stuff. Yeah, thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.